Welcome to my YouTube channel. Uvani lo. Namhlanje ngizokhuluma striker esidlalela amaZulu. Abaningi basazi striker lesi. Ngixolise lapho umphimbo wami ngisaneflu kancane. Abaningi basazi striker lesi, but striker lesi edlalela amaZulu sifike kulesi season siqhamuka ilungu. Yabo, striker seMamelodi Sundowns. Sasayini Mamelodi Sundowns. I think it was back in 2021 if I'm not mistaken. Kamalaso Etiosa Igodaro yabo ngixolela ngikwazi ukupronounce igama lase Nigeria, but waso Nigeria around 2001 na 23 years old yabo. One of the tricky careers because njengoba afika ngo-2021 wafika I think he was a teenager esafika kwi-Sundowns. Wafika kwi-Sundowns bamlona kwi-University of Pretoria. Njengoba bamlona kwi-University of Pretoria babefuna alijwayele ibhola lale South Africa yabo. Isuka le kwi-Abuja College afika kwi-Sundowns bamlona yabo. Waloko eba ne-loan spell kwi-Mamelodi Sundowns, eba ne-loan spell baloko bamlonisa, bamlona futhi nakwi-Chippa United wabuya waphinde futhi bamlona kwi-SuperSport United yabo. Uloke ehamba back and forth nje akafika ahlale kwi-Sundowns cha. Usefike kwi-Sundowns bamlona, manje sibamlone kuMaZulu FC. So my issue with the striker is that you see ngaqala ukumrecognize kakhulu last season edlala iSuperSport wayekuyilona kwi-season wayekuyilona kwi-SuperSport. uSuperSport wayedlala ngempela lo mjida lo, like ulibona ibhola lidlalayo cha striker lisa yabo, ushoda nje nge-team. And finding out ukuthi hayibo, this is a Sundowns player, I was shocked ukuthi hayibo i-Sundowns iswele striker nje Igodaro umdlalo odlalayo, because uShalulile at the moment uShalulile akadlali ibhola eligculisayo yabo. Asifunde nje singaqambelana manga bafethu, uShalulile at the moment is not a good player. He used to be a good player. After what happened in Mozambique against the Orlando Pirates at the MTN final, I think we all saw something yabo. Ngeke ngisho kule video nje, but you also uthi yabo kwenzeke izinto lapha ezadala ukuthi imoshe career yakhe, because before le match uPeter Shalulile was one of the great strikers in South Africa yabo. After that Ikrim Reyners have picked up the pace of being one of the best. Mabasa at this rate nje mfethu uMakgopa is better than lo mjida lo uShalulile yabo. Ningangithola kuma-comments, but I'm just saying. So into engilonayo ngale striker lesi yabo u-Igodaro ukuthi how come Mamelodi Sundowns ingamlandi kwi-loan, imlande nje ivele imfake iskimini se-Sundowns, because that guy is a complete striker, one of the best strikers I've seen. He's quick, his pace, he has a good pace. Wakwazi ukushaya ibhola like istriker ngempela sayashoot, izolo ube nawo ama-chance yabo, ube nawo nje ama-chance ngosikhathi bedlala ne-Kaizer Chiefs. So I saw the guy was no man, the guy is good yabo. So ngezwe ngani-ke bafethu ningitshele kuma-comments ukuthi okay umjida unjani, udlala kanjani. Ningangitshela ama-comments ukuthi u-Igodaro udlala kanjani yabo ngokwenu, angayeni kwi-Mamelodi Sundowns noma deserve ukuthengwa enye team yabo. For me I feel like it's the right choice ukuthi Sundowns imlandi noma imdayiseke at least, because the guy it feels like awazi ukuhlala ethimini akho yabo, akhe relationship naleyo team le, because uyazi ukuthi after these 12 months or after this after these 12 months uyahamba ujoin enye team yabo. So nibona kanjani lapha kuma-comments, ningitshele. Ningakhohlwa ukufollow ningakhohlwa ungifollow ku-TikTok Uvane Sports, lana ku-YouTube Uvane Talk Sports. Follow, subscribe and like the video, uyishare nabantu bakho mfethu, sikhulume nje ngebhola. Ivideo yami yokuqala le ngifuna ukubona ukuthi yabuyi kanjani. Ningayihleki iquality, ngimumbi ngiyazazi akekho muhle. Ngishaya ivideo nje ngebhola, sikhuluma ngebhola, sicobelelana ngolwazi. Ngiyabonga.